Well, guys, it starts, it shifts. It shifts hard, but I think it shifts hard because it has to be broken in a little bit, considering the engine was open. So I'm going to have patience with that. The double carburetors, I could not get them to work. So I put the OEM carb back on. That works like a dream. I tried everything with the double carbs. I can't get them to work. All right, got our gas on. Let's also, when I took the right side grip off, I must have disconnected the on-off switch or the kill switch. So I got to take this back apart and see what I disconnected. Sounds like I gotta adjust the valves again. Now, right now, this is a far cry from trading it in or riding it. Until it shifts like it should, I can't do nothing with it. It goes through all the gears, just I had a heck of a time to get it down from fifth to first. I had to actually put a vice grip on the shifter on this side to be able to get it back into first. But, you know, that could just be from, it just might need broken in. Now, if I could get this running good, what I want to do to this is I want to take everything off it again, and I want to repaint the frame black. Meaning, take the engine out, take all the wiring off, the front forks off, and I want to either powder coat the frame. If I can powder coat it, that's great, but I want it to be black. I want to make the entire bike black, and we'll give the fender and the gas tank a real nice gloss paint job instead of the flat black. And we'll invest money into a nice rear fender for it. So right now that's where we're at. It needs to be broken in. I still don't have the tank bolted on permanently. The battery's loose. I don't have the battery bolted down. The starter, the wire that goes, or the cable that goes to the starter, I got to put a few more zip ties in it here and there. And I put the chain on the other side. You know, so it's a few things, guys, here and there. So right now we're going to take a break, and I'll break this in a little bit more, and I'll see if I can get it to shift better.